Good morning, children. This is Seta. How are you, children? Okay. Welcome to 7th class IIT Chemistry. What is first unit, children? Basic technology. In basic technology, how many concepts over? I think 5 concepts. What is first concept, children? Terms in chemistry. What is second concept, children? Difference between what is electropositive and electronegative elements. For third unit, radical ions. Next, oxidation numbers. Next, third unit, oxidation numbers. Fourth unit, radicals. Radicals. Now, previous class we have learned what is criss-cross method. Criss-cross method. What is criss-cross method, children? We learned so many examples also. What is criss-cross method? What is first you say what is radical ions, you know? Okay, very good. Next, what is criss-cross method? Criss-cross method means in given compound first you have to write first ions. After that write symbols. After that apply criss-cross method. Next you should write. See, we will take simple ratio. Simplest ratio. So many examples we learn, children. For example, now we have discussed some one example only. For example, magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. In magnesium chloride, always write always do criss-cross method. First we have to write symbols of the element. So here magnesium chloride having one magnesium chloride. So magnesium, after that find the valencies. In magnesium valence plus 2, chlorine minus 1. So 2 here magnesium ion, cation and anion. Ions are divided into two types, cation and anion. Cation means positive charge ion species is called cation, negative ion species are called anions. So in this compound having cation and anion. You discuss radical ions, children. Okay, radical ions are two types, cation and anion. Next, classifications of radical ions. Classifications of radical are ions. How many types? Simple ions and compound ions. Simple ions means same type of atoms combined to form simple ions. What is compound ions, children? Different atoms combined to form compound ions. You will take your simple unit. That one compound ions. Before class we learned that one. Next, after that, criss-cross method. What is criss-cross method? Criss-cross method follow to 4 steps. What is first step? First identify the symbols of the ions. What is second point? Write valencies. Magnesium valency 2, chlorine valency 1. Magnesium valency 2, chlorine valency 1. After that, apply criss-cross method like this. So here Mg1Cl2. The formula of magnesium chloride formula MgCl2. Now previous class we discussed so many examples, I think 24 or 25. All of you practice those examples, children. Now we are discuss 6th concept, types of the reactions. What is first 7th concept, types of the reactions. In types of the reactions, what is first we are discuss what is chemical equation. What is chemical equation? Very simple now. Chemical equation means first I have to write one equation, Ca plus H2 is V/2 CaOH twice. This is equation. What is definition of chemical equation? The shorthand representation of an atom in the form of symbols and formula. Symbols and formulas is called as chemical equation. Is called as chemical equation. What is definition of chemical equation, children? Chemical equation. What is definition of chemical equation, children? The shorthand representation of an atom in the form of symbols and formulas is called as chemical equation. First, we take one example: Ca plus H2O. Ca plus calcium react with water molecule. After reaction to form CaOH twice. So this is left hand side is called reactant, right side is called product. This is reactant. Reactant, right side product. Reactant, product. Reactant, product. What is definition of the reactant? How many substances involved in the reaction? How many substances involved in the reaction is called reactant. In this substance, how many in this reaction, how many in reactants and how many substances involved? One calcium, one water molecule. Calcium and water molecule react. Those are indicate reactant. Reactant after reaction to form product. What is definition of the reactant? How many substances involved in the reaction, that is called reactant. After reaction, newly products to form, that is product. So involved in the reaction, form the reaction. How many substances formed in the reaction is called product. How many substances involved in the reaction is called reactant. Here after reaction to form products. Before reaction that mean how many substances involved in the reaction is called reactant. In reactant and product, this is arrow. This is arrow. So after reaction to form product. After reaction to form product. After reaction to form product. What is the chemical equation? The shorthand representation of an atom in the form of the symbols and formulas is called chemical equation. So here left hand side is called reactant. Right hand side is called product. Right hand side is called product. Keep in your mind what is reactant, what is product. How many substances involved in the reaction is called reactant. After reaction, how many substances formed in this reaction is called reactant. Okay, this is reactant, this is product. What is reactant, children? How many substances involved in the reaction? After reaction, how many substances formed? Involved in the reaction substance is called reactant. Form the reaction. After reaction to form the substance is called products. Left hand side is called reactant, right hand side is called product. Keep in your mind, children. What is definition of chemical equation? The shorthand representation of an atom in the form of symbols and formulas is called as chemical equation. This is one type of chemical equation. So many examples we have. This is example 1. You know, children, any example you say, a simple example. Okay, H2 plus O2 is gives rise to H2. Next example, C plus O2. C plus O2 is gives rise to C1. So many examples we have. So next one, for example, zinc react with hydrochloric acid. Zinc react with hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride plus H2. Zinc chloride plus H2. So those all are reactions. Equation or reaction, no problem. Those all are chemical equations. In chemical equation, what is definition of the reactant? What is definition of the reactant, children? How many substances involved in the reaction? The substance involved in the reaction is called reactant. The substance involved in the reaction is called reactant. The substance formed in the reaction is called product. The substance formed in the reaction is called product. Left hand side is called reactant. Right hand side is called product. This is left side. This is right hand side. Left hand side is called reactant. Right hand side is called product. For example, you prepare biryani. How is prepared? How many substances we take? So many substances. But here, for example, water plus rice. You take water plus rice. Here, in this so many substances involved in the reaction. After reaction to form biryani. CO2, Zn plus HCl is Gives rise to ZnCl2 plus H2. Those all are chemical equations. What is definition of chemical equation, children? The shorthand representation of an atom in the form of symbols and formulas is called as chemical equation. This is one chemical equation. Chemical equation having reactant and product. Reactant and product. What is definition of reactant? The substance involved in the reaction is called reactant. The substance involved in the reaction is called reactant. What is product definition? What is product definition? The substance formed the reaction. The substance formed the reaction. What is the definition of reactant? The substance formed the reaction. Formed the substance involved in the reaction. Formed the reaction. The substance involved in the reaction is called reactant. Formed the reaction is called formed the reaction. Involved in the reaction. Formed in the reaction is called reactant. Okay. Here the substance involved in the reaction is called reactant. The substance formed the reaction is called product. Next we are discuss. We will take one equation. What is chemical equation, children? All of you write notes, children. Listen properly and write your notes. Next, for example, we will take one example. Mg plus O2 is gives rise to Mg. Mg plus O2 is gives rise to Mg1. This is what chemical reaction or equation. What is definition of the chemical equation, children? The shorthand representation of an atom in the form of symbols and formulas is known as chemical equation. This is one chemical equation. Now find the atomic mass now. How is find atomic mass, you know, children? Very good. Here make this atomic number 12, mass 24. Plus here, this is reactant, this is product. Find the mass of the reactant side and find the mass of product side. Now we find the mass of reactant side. So here how many oxygens is there? 2 oxygens. So 1 oxygen atomic mass 16. So 2 oxygen atomic mass 16 2s are 2 into 1 oxygen 16. So here 24 plus 16 2s are 32. Total mass here 56. Mass of the reactant side 56. Next we take mass of the product side. Mass of the product side. Find the mass of product side here 24. Magnesium atomic number 12. Atomic mass 24. Oxygen atomic number 8. Atomic mass 16. So here 24 plus 16 how much now? 40. So here reactant side mass are equals to does not equals to product side mass. This is called unbalanced equation. Unbalanced equation. Another name skeleton equation. Another name skeleton equation. Unbalanced. What is unbalanced equation mean? The total mass of the reactant side does not equal to total mass of the product side. Next definition. The number of substance involved in the reaction does not equals to the number of substance present in the form the reaction does not equals to. So the number of substance reacted side does not equals to number of atoms present in product side. What is definition of unbalanced equation? Okay, this is unbalanced equation. Balanced equation means the total mass of the reactant side does not equals to total mass of the product. See once here how many magnesium is there? 1 magnesium balance. Here how many oxygens is there, children? 2 oxygens. Here 1 oxygen only there. So this is unbalanced and product side there is not does not equal the atoms. So here this equation is called unbalanced equation. This equation is called unbalanced equation. Another name skeletal equation. Another name skeletal equation. Next same example we take Mg plus O2 is this raised to 2 MgO. This is balanced equation or not? This is balanced equation or not? Balanced. Why? Here 2 magnesiums is there. Here 2 magnesiums is there. 2 oxygens is there. 2 oxygens is there. The left hand side atoms is equals to right hand side. Now you find the mass of the reactant side and find the mass of the product side. How is find mass? You know, children. Okay, very good. Make this atomic mass what, children? Okay, 24. Plus oxygen atomic mass 60. Reactant side. We find the product side also. First you find the reactant side. Here 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 48 plus 16 2s are 32. So here 48 plus 32 how much, children? 80. Atomic mass of reactant side 80. Here product side 2 into make this atomic mass, children. Very good. 24. Oxygen atomic mass, children. We got 60. Okay. Here 24 plus 16 40. 42s are 80. So this is equal. The total mass of the reactant side are equal to product side is called balanced equation. Balanced equation. Balanced equation. Balanced equation. This is balanced equation. Another name stoichiometry equation. Stoichiometry equation. Another name stoichiometry equation. Chemical equations are 2 types. First balanced equation. Second unbalanced equation. Balanced equation, unbalanced equation. First one. Unbalanced equation another name skeletal equation. Balanced equation another name stoichiometry equation. So the total mass of the reactants does not equals to product side is called unbalanced equation. And the definition, the number of atoms present in the reactant. This is reactant. This is product. Reactant. Keep in your mind. Product. Reactant. Product. Here the number of atoms present in reactant side. Reactant side does not equals to product side. This is examples of unbalanced equation. This is definition of unbalanced equation. What is unbalanced equation or skeletal equation? The number of atoms present in the reactant side does not equals to product side. Here how many atoms is there? 1 magnesium equal, but unbalanced. Here oxygens 2, here 1. So unbalanced equation. What is definition of balanced equation? Another name stoichiometry equation. What is definition of the balanced equation? Same definition. Here just a little bit variation is there. It does not equal, but here equals to. So what is definition of balanced equation? The number of atoms present in reactant side is equals to the number of atoms present in product side. Here also you should write the number of electrons. The number of atoms does not equals to the number of electrons the number of atoms, the number of atoms present in reactant side. Here reactant, here product, very good. Here product side. Product side. What is definition of unbalanced equation? The number of atoms present in the reactant side does not equals to the number of atoms present in product side is called unbalanced equation. What is definition of balanced equation? The number of atoms present in reactant side is equals to the number of atoms present in product side. What is definition of unbalanced equation, children? Unbalanced equation, another name skeletal equation. What is definition of unbalanced equation? Unbalanced equation, another name skeletal equation. Skeletal equation, what is definition of skeletal equation? The number of atoms present in the reactant side does not equals to the number of atoms present in product side. This is definition of unbalanced equation. Next, balanced equation. What is definition of balanced equation? Balanced equation, another name stoichiometry equation. Stoichiometry equation. The number of atoms present in reactant side is equals to the number of atoms present in product side. You understood, Nana? Okay, what is unbalanced equation? What is balanced equation? Do you understood? Very good. Next, okay, here we discuss some examples, the unbalanced equation. What is chemical equation? First, you say, children. What is chemical equation? What is chemical equation, children? Very good. The shorthand representation of an atom in the form of symbol or formula is known as or is called as chemical equation. Chemical equation. This is also on chemical equation. So this is unbalanced equation. This is balanced equation. What is examples of unbalanced equation? What is another definition of unbalanced equation? The total mass of the reactant side does not equals to total mass of the product side. The total mass of the reactant side does not equals to total mass of the product side is called unbalanced equation. And the unbalanced equation, another name skeletal equation. Unbalanced equation, another name skeletal equation. Next, balanced equation. Balanced equation means stoichiometry equation. The number of atoms present in reactant side is equals to number of atoms present in product side. And the definition, what, children? The total mass of the reactant side is equals to total mass of the product side. This is balanced equation. Balanced equation, another name stoichiometry equation. Unbalanced equation, we have two definitions. Balanced equation, we have two definitions. What is first definition, children? The total mass of the reactant does not equals to total mass of the product. Next, balanced equation. What is another unbalanced equation? Another name skeletal equation. What is definition of unbalanced equation? The number of atoms present in the reactant side does not equals to the number of atoms present in product side. This is definition of unbalanced equation. Next, balanced equation. Balanced equation means another name stoichiometry equation. In stoichiometry equation definition, the total mass of the reactant side is equals to total mass of the product side is called balanced equation. Okay, what is another definition? The number of atoms present in reactant side is equals to the number of atoms present in product side. We discussed some examples on balanced equation. We have to write some examples. First example. Examples of balanced equation. Examples of unbalanced equations. First example. Mg plus O2 is reduced to M0. Second example. Here unbalanced or balanced? Unbalanced. Here Mg, here 1 Mg equal. But here unbalanced to oxygen. First, check properly in given equation how many atoms is present in reactant side, how many atoms present in product side. If you balance, that equation is called balanced equation. If you unbalance, that equation is called unbalanced equation. So here 1 Mg, 1 Mg. Here 2 oxygens. Here 1 oxygen is there. This is unbalanced HCl is V raised to ZnCl2 plus H2. This equation balanced or not? See, given atoms here Z balanced, no problem. Here chlorine, 1 chlorine, here 2 chlorines. There is no, this is also unbalanced equation. Fourth equation, for example, simple example, C plus O2 is V raised to CO2. This is also unbalanced equation. What is the definition of the unbalanced equation? The number of atoms present in the reactant side does not equals to the number of atoms present in product side. This is unbalanced equation. Next, we have to write examples of balanced equation. Balanced equation. So here examples of balanced equation. First example, 2 mg plus what is this raised to 2 mg. Oh, this is balance or not? Balance. Here 2 mg, here 2 mg. Here 2 oxygens, here also 2 oxygens. The above reaction is called balanced equation. What is definition of the balanced equation? Balanced equation, the name stoichiometric equation. The number of atoms present in reactant side is equals to the number of atoms present in product side is called balanced equation. So balanced equation and the same example I have to write. Same examples. H2 plus O2 is V raised to H2. H2 plus O2 is V raised to 2H2. Now balance or not? Here 4 hydrogens is there. Here 4 hydrogens is there. Here 2 oxygens. Here 2 oxygens. This equation is balanced equation or stoichiometric equation. Same example I have right. Here Zn plus HCl is V raised to ZnCl2 plus H2. ZnCl2 plus H2. Now unbalanced equation. You do balance. Here keep 2. Now balance or not? Here 1 Zn, here 1 Zn. We balance. Here 2 hydrogens is there, here 2 hydrogens is there. Here 2 chlorines is there, here also 2 chlorines. This is balanced equation. Fourth example, same examples I will. C plus O2 is this raised to CO2. Sorry, Nana. C2 plus O2. This is unbalanced equation. C2 plus O2 is this raised to CO2. C plus O2 is this raised to CO2. But balanced equation, C plus O2 is this raised to CO2. Okay? C2 plus O2 is this raised to CO2. This equation unbalanced equation. C plus O2 is this raised to CO2. This is balanced equation. Okay? Here, what is unbalanced? What is chemical equation? What is chemical equation, children? What is chemical equation? Very good. The shorthand representation of an atom in the form of symbols or formulas is known as chemical equation. Is known as chemical equation. Chemical equations are having reactant product. Chemical equation having reactant and product. Left hand side is called reactant. Right hand side is called as product. Next, what is reactant? Definition: the number of the substance involved in the reaction is called reactant. What is product? The number of substance formed the reaction is called reactant. Reactant form the reaction to form product. Involved in the reaction is called reactant. Next, so that is chemical equation. We learned some examples also. Okay. Next, chemical equations are 2 types. According to equation, 2 types: unbalanced equation and balanced equation. Unbalanced equation another name skeletal equation. Balanced equation another name stoichiometric equation. What is definition of unbalanced equation, children? The number of atoms present in the reactant side does not equals to number of atoms present in product side is called unbalanced equation. Unbalanced equation another name skeletal equation. What is another definition of unbalanced equation? The total mass of the reactant side does not equals to total mass of the product side. That is another definition. Next, second one, what, children? Balanced equation. What is balanced equation? The number of the atoms present in reactant side is equals to, keep in your mind, equals to here does not equals to the number of the atoms product side. Product present in product side is called balanced equation or stoichiometric equation. What is another definition? The total mass of the reactants are equals to total mass of the product side. Okay, children, all of you write properly notes. I send some bits. You do that bits. Okay, children. Thank you. See you tomorrow.